Alright, so we're going out data logging and I mic'd up the interior. I don't know if the air is messing up the sound. The interior, the engine bay, and the exhaust. I love doing this, and I also hate doing this because there's been so many times that I've done this and it just didn't turn out right and I couldn't bring it to you guys. So if you're watching this, I'm assuming it came out good this time. It's very difficult to dial in the audio. Basically, I'm not going to get into it, but if you peak out the audio, meaning you clip it, it's too high, you have the sensitivity too high, let's say with the exhaust or even under the hood, that's it, it's destroyed. You cannot bring that audio back once it peaks and it just sounds all disruptive and whatever you want to call. So, I have headphones, I'm going to try revving it, dialing in the sound. I think I have something good. And then we're going to just enjoy some pulls. You know, I got the new tune on. It's another revision. There's about 33 miles on this new revision. It's actually a little more conservative, just a hair. We dialed back the boost just a little bit since I was venting. Why is my P3 gauge not working? Come on. Battery, boost. Why is boost not working? Oh, come on. All right, I got to figure this out, and then we're going to go for a drive. But I was just saying, it's a little bit less conservative, a little less boost. I think we're good. I think we are good. I think this might be the sweet spot. Let's put this over here for now. This is not the easiest to do, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Hopefully the audio picks up well both inside and outside. Pretty humid out today. Car's reading 81 degrees. Watches, I don't know what is freaking connects to the damn music. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, both the watch and the car's reading 81. So for once, everything's in sync. It's 81 degrees, but I can tell it's extremely humid outside. So yeah, pretty soon, beginning of October to be exact, beginning of October, first week of October, I'm going to be going to a shop to get the car wrapped and to put the wide body kit on as well as all the other 300 parts. So basically, first week of October, car's going in for a full body transformation. It might take 2-3 weeks, possibly more, I don't know. You know, I'm gonna go more in depth as we get closer. I'm gonna try to go there, record some of the process, especially for folks who want to know how to install it, etc. Just kind of get some info and recording of it being done. But just a little sneak peek. Wanted to let you guys know that beginning of October, I'm gonna be bringing it in to a shop, and I'm gonna go over the shop and everything very shortly in another video explaining everything. And yeah, it should be really freaking sweet. Wide body kit, a wrap, and lots of carbon fiber pieces on the exterior. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, subscribe for more, drop a comment, let me know what you think of the sounds, what other cars you want me to mic up. I gotta find some other local cars to do this with. I think it's super fun, super creative. I gotta get that like 360 thing too, that camera. Check out drivendistrict.com for some performance parts, merch, all this stuff. We got the pre-orders for 300 up, which who knows by the time this video's out if they're up or not or whatever. But we still have access to them because we're an authorized dealer. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you guys in the comments. See you in the next one.